Welcome to 23 Whitewood Place, Caringbah South. Come and see our beautiful house.
This is the laundry, Lance's favourite part of the home, consisting of solid stone bench tops, a 100 by 100 antique finished wall tile with an undertone of pearl, and once again utilising the custom-made faucet Stroman tapware. Welcome to the main bathroom of this property. Come on in and have a look through at the Amalfi Tiles exclusive cabinetry and European products. Welcome to the Master Ensuite, one of Rosalind's favourite places in the home. I'd like to show you through. We really have made use of this beautiful, fantastic cabinetry from Amalfi Tiles, custom manufactured here in Australia. You can see here Rosalind has smartly used the space, placing her towels and a few slight components throughout without making the space look too busy. As you can see behind me, we have made use of the Amalfi Tiles exclusive Italian porcelain, one of the hardiest materials, maintenance free, great for any family application.